Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Can We Fix It? And today we are going to swap the 12-volt battery in a 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, I believe it is, Prius. And the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get all of your trunk area cleared, and that's just pulling those pieces out. That's pretty self-explanatory. There's like a million videos that when they work on the hybrid battery where they show you how to do that. So I'm not going to waste your time with that. Your 12-volt battery's over here. You're going to have to do a few things to get to it, and some of it is just get these things out of the way. Now, normally there's a little snap bolt here, a bolt, I think it's a bolt that screws in actually, but take that out. That's a 10 millimeter. I already have mine out because I have worked on this battery, hybrid battery, so many times that I don't even put that screw back in. So I think I got the hybrid battery where I want it. I have a genuine Toyota battery here. I'm just giving it a little charge because it's been sitting on the shelf for a while. I swap these in and out at various occasions to troubleshoot things. That's an extra one. I'm going to go ahead and I'm turning this car over to my son is what it is. So I want to make sure that this has a good battery in it. I know this one's a great battery. I'm going to swap it in for this one. Then I'll take this one out and charge it and use it for my troubleshooting. One thing I wanted to note, guys, one way you can test a battery is get yourself a ohm meter, or a multimeter, I guess is what they call them. I'm old school, I guess. But anyway, put it on 12 volt DC or your DC setting, and put it between the two. And it's going to be hard to show you this, but this one basically says 12.82 volts. So put it on your positive, the red on your positive, black on your negative, and this one says 12.8 volts. So anything closer to 13 would be good. If it gets to the lower part of 12 volts, that could be a problem. You're going to need to charge it up. So I think we're good on this one. So we are going to go ahead and put it in. Okay guys, let's get you in a view. To get this off, you're going to need a screwdriver to pop this area right here to get access to this 10 millimeter nut to get the positive off. And the negative's hard to see, it's back behind this piece, but it's just a regular battery terminal. It takes a 10 millimeter wrench. So let me remove the negative first. And Toyota, I think, refers to this as the auxiliary battery. I don't know, I've read, I don't know if it's true, but I guess I'll keep spreading the rumor. It's basically there to boot up your car until the hybrid battery takes over, or traction battery, whatever the proper term is for it. But you know, you do get some weird symptoms if you have a bad auxiliary / 12 volt battery. So you might want to, if you're getting some weird things, you may want to search around about 12 volt battery issues, or even just check it like we just showed you here, and see if it falls in range. Okay, now let's get, I got the negative off, let's get the positive off. Now, you know, just be warned, this is gonna, you know, move all your, or delete all your radio stations, all the memory stuff's gonna be gone, because this does keep the memory piece active also. Any codes you have stored will get reset, you know, all that stuff, you know, all the normal stuff. Alright, so there's the positive off. Now, there's also this piece here, and it's probably going to be easier with a 10 millimeter socket, but I just break it loose with a wrench and spin it. And there's another one down on this side. I'm going to see if I can get it without loosening that one up, which always usually ends up getting me in trouble, but we'll see what it does. Nope, I'm going to have to get the socket. BRB. Alright, I got a socket with an extension. That loose. lift that up. Try not to drop that bolt down in the battery well, because that's just going to slow you down. Alright, now I'm going to have to get in your way, I'm sorry. We're going to have to lift this battery out. And then we're going to have to put this battery in. Now, these batteries also come with a vent tube right here. So we're going to go ahead and hook that up, and that's just pushing the hose onto that piece. Then we're going to put our positive side back on. We're going to tighten that with a wrench. Get it on there good. Get that tightened. Negative cable. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's probably pretty dark, and my arm's in the way, but there we got the negative cable back on. Then we'll tighten that up. Let's just make sure it's on there good. Alright, I know that's kind of a weird angle, guys, but I know it's hard for you to see. We need to, we skipped a step. I gotta go back, sorry. I forgot to put my bar back on. So let's get this positive back off, and then get the bar set back in place. Get it on there. And this is going to be the hard part, is getting this bolt started. But we can get our nut back on this piece, and then get this lined up. Keep your finger on it like that. Kind of hold it while you move it down there, and set it on the hole. And then slide it over into place. And then just kind of spin it, and then you can feel it get started. And there we go. Not too bad. Tighten that down. Tighten this down. Alright, that should hold the battery. Now go back and put our positive on.
Alright, sorry about this next step, guys, but
Making videos, you sometimes forget things. So we'll go back and fix it. And then we put our cover back on, just like before. Everything lines up with the cables and snaps into place. There we go. Alright, now we're good. Okay guys, last step, let's slide this battery piece back into place. Battery vent piece, I should say. Let's get that around there. Alright, there we go. Now if you took your bolt out, you can put it back in right now, but I'm going to leave mine out just in case. That's all we have for this episode of Can We Fix It, guys. It's pretty easy to replace that auxiliary / 12 volt battery. Let me know if you have a comment, question below, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.